ناظرین، وزیراعظم پاکستان محمد شہباز شریف چین کے شہر تیانجن یونیورسٹی میں خطاب کر رہے ہیں، جہاں انہوں نے علامہ اقبال کی پیش گوئی اور چین کے روشن مستقبل کا ذکر کیا ہے۔ آئیے سنتے ہیں وزیراعظم محمد شہباز شریف کا خطاب۔
علامہ محمد اقبال, who has written poetry both in Urdu and in Persian, and it has been translated into various other languages, who said almost around 100 years ago, گراں خواب چینی سنبھلنے لگے، گراں خواب چینی سنبھلنے لگے، حمالہ کے چشمے ابلنے لگے. Its translation is that Allama Muhammad Iqbal, the great poet of the East, he foresaw the great potential of Chinese nation, its great abilities, its capacities to transform China into one of the most growing countries around the globe. This journey of peace and prosperity would ultimately be shared by many nations around the globe, by hundreds and millions of people. He said that Chinese potential is now like the fountains of Himalaya, is now bubbling with zeal, with enthusiasm, and with great commitment. For us, China's rise to a global economic powerhouse offers invaluable insights into the importance of strategic long-term planning and policies that place the welfare of the people at their very heart. And this is most definitely is the pivot of President Xi Jinping's visionary policy. His visionary leadership has today conveyed this message to the entire globe that friendship and long-lasting friendship can only be achieved through multilateralism and not through unilateralism. Prosperity and progress can only be achieved through teamwork and shared journey and shared progress and prosperity, and not through exclusive rights. I think this cardinal principle has now been established as a norm around the globe, and I think Pakistan fully supports and endorses President Xi Jinping's vision and its philosophy. And I want to mention before this August assembly of outstanding students, high achievers, and faculty members, and excellencies, diplomats, that in terms of President Xi Jinping's strategic vision, he believes strongly to eradicate corruption. That's what my policy is in Pakistan. He believes in eradicating poverty. That is our policy in Pakistan. With our meager resources, whatever we have, at this point in time, it's about 1.5 years of our governance in Pakistan.